Hello and welcome to Blaze Themes YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add and edit filter layout with NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin to your website. By using NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin, you can import our stylish layouts to your website in just a single click. I will show you the available styles in 4 different filter layouts. To be able to use these layouts, you will have to install and activate NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we will be uploading more tutorials like this in the coming days. When you import any of these demos, you can customize filter settings, filter tabs design, loader styles, post query settings, and post design all by yourself according to your design choice. You can manage each and every section of filter layout like image border radius, image overlay, image ratio, etc. I will explain and show you how to do this later in this video. You can edit loader styles and apply different image hover animation and title hover animation effects. This is filter layout 3. Every style and layout is impressive in its distinct way. As of today, there are 4 filter layouts, but we will be regularly adding layouts and styles with new designs in the future updates of NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin. In each layout, there are many variant styles. You can use these layouts as many as you want in any section of a page. I will show you how to add filter layout, all of the available settings in it, how to edit post query settings, and all of the stunning design options you can customize in the filter layout. Now let's start editing. Go to Edit with Elementor, go to Widgets on the panel, search for Filter, drag and drop the filter layout to the canvas. You will get a basic layout as soon as you add the filter layout widget to a container. I'm going to add all 4 layouts to the canvas. You can edit each and every element which I'm going to show you in this video. I am using the Pro version of NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin, so you might not see some features on your website when you are using the free version of NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin. But don't worry, there is not a massive difference. You can get around all of the settings by following this video tutorial. As options are similar in each layout, I am deleting filter layouts 1, 3 and 4 for now and show you edits in layout 2 only. You can either choose classic or card skin. You can filter posts by 3 taxonomies: categories, tags or authors. Show all posts from within a taxonomy by enabling Show All tab. There is an enable option to adjust layout on smaller width. Go to Post Query, select the order of display of posts, choose the number of posts to display, select Post Authors, select Post Categories to show in the filter options: politics, fashion, and culture. You can also choose post tags. Select the posts you want to exclude. On to post element settings, you can show post thumbnail image, post categories, post title, and post date. I'm going to hide post author element. If you show post date, you can select the position of date icon and select the date icon. Show post excerpt and determine excerpt length. So read more button, write button text, select button icon. You can also arrange the position of elements. In animation settings, as of today, there are 10 different custom animation effects. In image settings, choose the appropriate image size for the posts in the section. Changing image ratio. You can choose border type. We have also provided a setting to apply box shadow underneath the image. In box shadow, you can edit horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur radius, spread distance, and color. You can also select between outline and inset position of the box shadow. Put border radius to round the image corners. By going to the general settings in the style tab, you can choose primary color. There are even separate settings to determine column gap and row gap. This is the setting to customize design for tab controls. Edit typography, font family, font size, font weight, transform style, decoration, add line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. Select the alignment of tabs, left, center, or right. You can choose different tab text color and background type for initial and hover states. Increase padding of the tab on all sides. Increase bottom margin. Active tab is the tab that is being selected in the layout on the page. You can choose different color and background type for initial and hover states. Put border radius to round the corner. I am going to increase padding of the active tab as well. In post title design settings, edit typography, font family, font size, font weight, transform style, decoration, add line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. The process is the same as earlier. Adding line height, we have provided a setting to determine font size for trailing posts. You can choose different text colors for initial and hover states. You can play around the settings and pick the best color options yourself. We can also edit background color, padding, and margin. Add a little bit of bottom margin. In post categories, edit typography, Roberto font family, increasing font size, select capitalize transform, choose normal font weight. I hope that you are fully familiar with the available settings and processes by now. In hover state, changing background color. You can even edit hover border radius. You can see the design application in post categories. On to post date, editing typography. I'm going to increase font size, choose normal font weight. Trailing post font size in post date element. Next, post excerpt, edit typography, Roberto font family, choosing normal font weight, and editing font size, adding line height and top margin. In post title, adding a little bit of bottom margin. Now I want to edit styles of post button. Bold font weight, uppercase letters, you can choose different color and background type for initial and hover states. Increasing top margin. While you are editing settings on the panel, you can see changes being made on the canvas without publishing it. If you want to add image overlay, first enable it. Then start applying colors. Determine opacity. If you choose to, you can also apply CSS filters. You can add blurriness, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue on the image overlay in both initial and hover states. Finally, in loader styles, you can pick loader color and overlay color. Overlay color is activated when the active filter tab is loading. Finally, publish it and see the beautiful results yourself. In this easy and simple way, you can customize filter layout all by yourself. Here you can see the loader in use. You can see all the applications of the customizations we have made in this tutorial video. Do you like this design and want to place it in another container as well? Just copy it and paste wherever you need it. Enable adjust layout on smaller width setting for responsive appearance. I would like to remind you that I am using Pro version for this tutorial, so you might not see some features in your website if you are using free version. But there is no need to worry, there is only a little difference. You can get around all of the settings very easily by following this tutorial. If you have any questions or need any help, visit blazethemes.com and contact our support team to get free support.